But he would have the Naimo girl, or the...
You know what?
So, tell me a bit about the experience for the women's beach volleyball.
It's been amazing. It's been just wonderful. We've had just a wonderful, wonderful time. We arrived on Friday, and it's been spectacular. Love the city. It's been amazing, more than we ever expected, and we're so grateful. The volunteers, the mission staff, all the coaches. It's been a wonderful
yeah, I mean, we haven't seen her for 2 weeks.
We've been blessed because our daughter is part of the beach team, and it's been just magical. So even though they didn't get the gold, they got silver medal, and we're so proud. We're so proud of her.
Well, I don't know.
But